Adab, salam, namaste, sat shri akal dosto. Always pleasure to have you guys with me. Today in this video you're gonna watch how to make GUNTUR spicy fried chicken. If you really like to know how to make it, please stick my video, watch till the end. And guys, if you are first time comer, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. Green cardamom, amla, red chili, cumin, mace, javitri, coriander, poppy seed, pepper, fenugreek, cinnamon, black cardamom, raw turmeric, walnut, akhrot, salt, fennel powder, garlic powder, chili, black pepper powder, turmeric, and dry ginger roasted powder. Raw turmeric, after 1 minute I'm adding all these. I'm going to let it dry roast for super slow heat. 2 minutes adding all these spices here. Turn off heat. All these roasted spices I am grinding in a mortar. And don't forget to remove and discard the black cardamom's shell. Garlic, half, 3-4 green chili, and some ginger. Mustard oil, almost. 500 grams neat and clean boneless chicken breast that I am cutting here into small strips. Ready? I'm going to marinate. GUNTUR chilli, almost 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, okay, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. GUNTUR red chili and curry leaves 1 cup. Mustard seed, ginger, garlic, onion, green chili or bell pepper, tomato. Coarsely grind masala. Adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. All is ready. Adding mustard seed, onion, garlic. After 2 minutes, green chili, some ginger, curry leaves, 1 cup curry leaves. Let it cook another 2-3 minutes more. Now I'm going to add marinated chicken. Okay, we're gonna let it cook for 4-5 minutes on medium heat. After that, green pepper, and then some GUNTUR masala, tomato, fresh lime juice. Cooking after 3 minutes. All these stuff here, green stuff, masala, cashew nut, GUNTUR chilli. We're gonna let it cook another 2-3 minutes. Then I'm going to add clarified butter, turn off heat. It's ready to serve. For the garnish I'm using radish, boiled beetroot, onion, and fresh lime. Guys, if you do like the way I cook, please like, subscribe to my channel. I really gonna be appreciated for that. Thank you so much. Adios, ciao.